Everyone knows ChatGPT can write scripts, but here's what most creators miss: it can do way more behind the scenes. And honestly, without it, our channel would be way more stressful to run. When Grace first started helping me with this channel, we thought of ChatGPT as just a scriptwriter. We'd drop in a topic, it would give us a draft, and then we'd polish it. Pretty simple. But as our workflow grew, we realized something. If we only used ChatGPT for scripts, we were leaving half of its power on the table. Now, ChatGPT isn't just a nice-to-have. It's the backbone of how Grace and I organize, publish, and stay consistent every single week. Think about it, uploading 3 videos a week is a lot. Titles, thumbnails, captions, descriptions, hashtags, that stuff adds up. If we tried to do all of that manually, there's no way we'd keep up. We'd fall behind, lose momentum, and eventually burn out. That's exactly why we leaned harder into ChatGPT. Here's exactly how Grace and I use ChatGPT outside of scripts and why it saves us hours every week. Video titles. Instead of guessing, we ask ChatGPT for 10 variations of a title. We'll say, act as a YouTube strategist. Write 10 clickable, beginner-friendly titles about topic. From there, we pick the one with the strongest hook, thumbnail text. Grace takes the draft title, drops it into ChatGPT, and asks for short, punchy text options, just 3 to 4 words max. This part is huge because thumbnail text is different from video titles. It needs to be quick, bold, and curiosity-driven. ChatGPT gives us options instantly, which saves us hours in Canva later. Social media captions. Once we finish a script, Grace pastes it into ChatGPT and asks for repurposed captions for Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. What used to be one video now turns into multiple posts across platforms. That's how we keep showing up consistently everywhere, without writing everything from scratch. YouTube descriptions plus hashtags. This one is underrated. We feed ChatGPT the script and ask it to generate keyword-rich descriptions and a list of hashtags tailored to the video. Grace then polishes them so they sound more natural. And just like that, we save 20 minutes per upload times 3 videos a week. Now, here's the thing, the trick isn't just use ChatGPT, it's how you ask. We always give it a role like, you are a YouTube growth strategist, or you're a social media manager for a faceless channel. Then we add context, our niche, our tone, and our goals. That way, the outputs sound short, engaging, and creator-friendly, not like a Wikipedia article. Take this video you're watching right now. The title, the description, even the hashtags, they were all drafted in ChatGPT before Grace polished them. That's how we've been able to keep uploading 3 videos a week without burning out, even with me working full-time in real estate and Grace balancing all the editing and production. So yeah, ChatGPT writes scripts. But for us, it also writes titles, thumbnail text, captions, and hashtags. It keeps us consistent, it keeps us creative. And it makes this whole faceless channel project actually doable for 2 people running it across 8,000 miles and a 14-hour time zone difference. What's one way you're using ChatGPT outside of writing scripts? Drop it in the comments, I might borrow your idea. Subscribe if you want more AI productivity tips like this. And watch this next video, CapCut, how we edit faster, make videos look better. It'll change the way you think about editing. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.